So this is the things I'm blending: ginger, garlic, pepper, onion, basil, yeah. And if you have any herbs, you can add it to it. Yeah, this is the type of herbs I'm going to chop it. Yeah. Yeah, I think I have bell pepper. I'll add it. This is my cooking oil. Not too much. Let me close the here. Yeah. So this is my chopping thing. I'll add it to it. Very small effort to add it. I will season with my spices I have. I have vegetable bouillon, all-purpose season. I have fish season. Yeah, that's my fish season. Fish season, you see. And then I have my red pepper there. You have a red wine, is good. I don't have red wine, I have dry wine here. This is what I want. Yeah, I have it here, so I'm going to use. Yeah, normal we use red wine. I don't have enough wine here, so it's good. I'll add my wine. Where is the cover? And I have vegetable bouillon. See, that's my vegetable. I'm going to mix with water. Yeah, so I'm mixing with warm water, and then I'll add it to it. It's better to use the Dutch pot. This heavy one is very good for it. Let me taste. Wow. I'll add salt for taste. I'll add salt, a little bit of salt. Let it cook small. And I have already washed my mussel for almost getting to 30 minutes. I leave the water. I open the water small, and you put under the water and you let the water run. Yeah, run water. Run water. Please, you can share for me. Yeah, share for me. Use your hand to type the screen, and that will encourage me to come live always to teach you. Now I'm leaving it. Let's cook small to bring the flavor out, and you know the wine is going to provide more taste, and the juice from the the mussel will come out. It's going to cook it good. Netherlands, they know I bought it from Avatar. Every shop in Netherlands you can get it, or I don't know the country you are watching me from, you can get it. And then put everything inside. And then you shake. Just cover it for 5 minutes. Cover it for 5 minutes. So we are counting. Yeah, the flavor is coming out now. So you see? You see? You see? Thanks for watching. I hope you are going to try tomorrow if you like it. Because a lot of people don't like this.